In this video, we're going to look into a comparison between Openart AI versus Leonardo AI. So Openart AI here is a platform where users can generate images using various AI models. Okay, it offers like a gallery, like you have the free and paid options, and also you have like model training, or you can also do own style training, and there are editing tools. So it provides all these informations which you can use to generate images. On the Leonardo AI, on the other hand, is also an AI art like an image generation platform with emphasis on high quality results, speeds, and lots of control like different models, presets, and everything. The main difference is that the OpenAI uses many models, including the possibility to train your own style as well. Whereas Leonardo AI actually also has many models and presets, but often fine-tuned for specific aesthetics. So new foundation models, okay, are also available, and OpenAI has actually good editing features like in painting, outpainting, image, video models, and everything. And Leonardo AI also has like stronger tools like upscaler and everything as well. And both of these have decent speed, like especially OpenArt, they have a decent speed in processing. And whereas Leonardo AI is more specialized in high quality products or results and output. So if you want like maximum control and high fidelity output, then Leonardo might be the preferable because of its newer foundation models, better upscaling, and better tools for refinement. And also, if resolution or the polish is very important, or you want to clean like prompt adherence, then Leonardo likely edges out. And if cost or free credits or ease of use is more important for you, then OpenArt might offer a gently entry, but free trials often comes with trade-offs as in other platforms. And if you want to experiment and try like many styles or train something specific, then OpenArt might give you the more flexibility to do that with a variety of models and style training. Hope this information helps.